be the one for me. Say you'll be the one for me. It's been so long since I got so.
We are tired because we didn't get sleep for 2 nights.
Won't you take me home? Give me wings to fly. We can run away. Castle in the sky. Won't you take me home and give me wings to fly? We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me home to a castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Won't you take me home?
So the last current update, we just crossed Mandi and we are just stuck in traffic jam. It's the construction of new roads is going on. That will decrease. कितना किलोमीटर बोले थे? Decrease होगा, कम होगा. चंडीगढ़ से
around 50 kilometers.
50 around 50 kilometer will decrease while traveling to Manali from Chandigarh. We are tired because we didn't get sleep for 2 nights. Now we're trying to catch up.
How are you feeling, Shayan?
Very fine, not just fine.
कैसे हैं तीन
Any comments, Mr. Amit Datta?
How are you feeling?
Higher, tired. So you had excitement from all of us. So you can guess how excited we are. And so nothing much to vlog on this road.
Castle in the sky. Won't you take me home and give me wings to fly? We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me home to a castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Won't you take me home?
कहाँ से
इस
आएगा?
पार्क से निकलेगी वो फ्लाईओवर बना उसके सामने उठे और
So guys, you can see there are 2 tunnels over there that will connect through this hill, and this road through which we are going now will be completely closed. So here is the tunnel, and that will connect through this part of this mountain range.
Please hold me close and let me stay until the sunrise. Just say you'll hold me forever, at least for tonight. It's been so long since I got so close to someone. I know this ain't love, but let me stay a while. And pull me closer tonight, keep holding my hand. I know this ain't love, but let me stay the night. I said let me stay. side. 'Cause I know how this works, I got my ABCs right. Oh, so let's play pretend. Say you'll be the one for me. Say you'll be the one for me forever. I know this will end tonight.
So there are new flyovers that will be constructed before, as you saw in the video, and here we are stuck because of the landslides.
ব্লগার সব এক্সপোজ করে দিল। এরা তো ব্লগার এসে কপিরাইট করবে মনে হয়। এই গভর্নমেন্ট থেকে কপিরাইট আসবে দাঁড়াও তো।
He's saying that I'm revealing the plan of the government before only.
ইংলিশে বলো না।
And here the construction, all the rocks are falling down. That's why we have been stopped over here.
But you'll be the one for me. Say you'll be the one for me. It's been so long since I got so close to someone. I know this ain't love, but let me stay a while. And pull me closer tonight. Keep holding my hand. I know this.
So here is another 3-kilometer tunnel we are going through, the Mott Tunnel. So here is the first time entering in this tunnel.
I said let me stay a while. 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 And I said let me stay a while. I said let me stay a while.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the way. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Today we are going on a river rafting over here. It's just a sudden plan while coming on the way to Manali, and I will tell everything behind this sudden plan below. Just now you enjoy the river rafting over here. You have full weight over here. Just enjoy this beautiful scene. I won't talk too much because it will be a risky thing. So you just enjoy the cinematics of river rafting in the late evening. My first time experience ever.
Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear I weighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see.
It's quite risky to do in this weather. It's around 6
At this moment.
6 in Kullu area, and the water is chilled, total chill. So we have reached our stay for the today, and it's snowing outside. So what a wonderful experience! Welcome to Manali. So we are quite tired today, and I'm ending the vlog right over. Now tomorrow the plan is to go to Solang Valley and just explore the place. After that, uh, we might be going to some different locations. Day after tomorrow, you will get to know everything. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel. And if you like this video for whatsoever, please do like the video. Till then, bye bye.